What does this say? Snap your finger 3 times. Why would I do that? Just do it. Okay, fine.
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air.
No way. It's an RS3M V5. So what cubes I got here is the RS3M V5 normal version and the maxed out ball core UV coated version here. So let's unbox this bad boy. Yes, yes, yes. Bubble wrap, right? We love bubble wrap. Dang. There we go, there's the cubes. We love bubble wrap. Anyways. Okay. Here we are, the RS3M V5. I think it's the standard, I don't even know what version I got. Here is the RS3M V5 maxed out UV coated version. Yeah, let's begin with the standard for now. Wait, I need to get scissors or something. Okay, let's do this. Can I make this? Yeah. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, I don't know which side is. Oh my day. Flip it. I'm gonna just open it normal. I don't care. Erase these box. I don't care. Ooh, this looks nice. Stand. Accessories box. We got the usual, I guess. We got the standard version here. Let's see it. Okay, glossy. Phew, that's fast, wait. Okay. Okay, it's not that bad actually. Wait. It's dry, very dry. The M moves. Yo, wait, it's super light. It's very light. The M moves. Oh, I like that. I like that. Wait. Okay, let's do solve. We have to do solve. Okay. I'm not warmed up, so don't expect much. I give myself the worst hand scramble in existence, but it's fine. Oh wait, no, oh. 3 pair skips. I got a 8.8. Yes, that was not rigged at all. Anyways, I like it. I'll probably set it up a bit more. Wait, this caps is so weird.
No.
What the? Where's the adjustment system? What? I haven't seen this since like... I got a Mailong 3M and that's the last time I saw only a screw. No adjustment system or nothing. Wow. That's insane. That's that. Put it on a stand. Because I never use these Moyu stands, so that was a good time. Okay. Let's go. We got the RS3M V5 maxed out version. Let's see it. Gonna chuck the paper. This box has to be easier, right? Right? Come on. Open. What? We don't care. There is plastic. So much plastic. Ooh, look at that. Robot. Oh, I like that. You can just sit down. Oh, that's so cool. Like they just got rid of the adjustment, the box. I chucked the box. I'm not getting that now. They just gave it like this. I like it. I'm chucking this box too. Anyways, this nice. This looks very cool. The Moyu sticker. I have to peel that off. Yes, I do. It could be can that act as a logo? Looks like it, but I don't care. I don't need it. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that's UV coating. Yeah. Oh. Oh, it's so dry. Wait. Let's make space. I like this. Wait. It's so dry. What? It's maglev, right? Yeah, that's definitely maglev. I'll check now. Is there gonna be adjustment system? Because I heard this. There is, yeah. Okay, there's a screw and just a spring adjustment system. Just the basic old Moyu stuff. I do like it. It's quite loud out of the box and very, very fast. The corner cutting though, okay, it's not that good out of the box. But I care about small cuts. You know? It's effortless. I like that. Okay. Okay, let's do solve. It's so dry, wait. Oh, it's so, what? I messed up. It's so bad out of the box. I like the aim slices though. Ew, that's a 15. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go set this up and I'll be with you guys in a minute. I'm gonna set up both. Okay, I just got done setting up both the cubes. This is the standard, the premium one. Look at the blue internal, the turquoise, yeah, pretty good. Anyways, this is how the standard sounds now. It feels like amazing now. Yeah, it feels way better than it did when I unboxed it. I did lube both these cubes with some Mystic, DNM, Weight 5, and Angstrom Dignitas. Any of these products here, go to speedcubes.co.today and use discount code CubeChris at checkout, 5% off your order. Links will be down below for both these cubes. And yeah, anyways, we have to continue. Okay, I'm gonna do a solve on it after. I'm probably not gonna beat that 8, but that 8 was so like I don't know, it was stage, it was very easy. But definitely way more controllable. I solve wait, it's good, it's really good for a budget cube. This thing is like, I don't know, in US dollars, USD, it's $9. In rands here in South Africa, it's 175 rand. Probably the best budget cube you can buy. I don't know, I haven't tested out budget cubes in a while, but really this thing, it performs. It's very light, so it could probably be for like 100 or something. Could be used for 100, I don't know. It's, yeah, here it's the premium version. Remember how loud it was? It's so quiet now, like way more quiet. I love it. Let's do a solve on it. This thing is so more controllable, way more controllable than this thing. And I like the texture, I love the UV coating. Always good to have that. Anyways, let's see. A little bit of a lucky start there. Oops, I messed up there. I messed up, wow. I just locked up. And I got a peel, I'll skip. I never reset the timer. Guys, I don't know. By the way, we're calling the robot, what are you calling him? George. Yes, his name is George. No, not George, not found, just George. Okay. Yo, I can't see my pairs today, but I'm not warmed up at all, so I don't judge myself. 8.9.